friends, welcome to Sharon's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. So today I'm come with another recipe. It is a chicken recipe, but I will make it very differently. Today I'm trying to make marinated dahi chicken. So I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, share, comment. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, to marinate the chicken, the ingredients what I'm going to use is, friends, you can see this. This is ginger, garlic and jeera paste. You can see it. I've made it into a paste. This I will use now. First, I will put this in the chicken. Put some chili powder. Put some turmeric powder. And this is dahi. This also I will put in. Now I will mix this nicely. Friends, after mixing the chicken with the ingredients, I will keep it for at least half an hour. Now I will keep this aside for half an hour. Friends, put some mustard oil. Friends, the oil is turned hot. I have taken here jeera and 3 red dry chilies. This I'll put in now. I've chopped up 3 big onions. This also I will put in now. First I will let the onions fry. Friends, the onion has turned brown. Now I will put in the salt. Friends, I've marinated over here the chicken and kept it now for half an hour. So now I'm going to put this in this onion. Friends, now this chicken will fry along with the onions. So I will cover it now. Because the chicken will leave lot of water now. When the water dries up, then I will do the next step. Friends, you can see the oil on top. It's come. Now I will fry the chicken along with the masalas, whatever is put in it. Friends, the chicken is fried up nicely with the masalas and dahi. Now I am going to put some garam masala, put some chicken masala powder, mix it. And I have chopped up here tomato, 2 tomatoes and some dhania patti leaves. This also I'm going to put in here. Friends, now I'm going to put some water. Little bit water I will put, not much. This much water I have put. Now I will cover it up and let it bubble little bit, and then I will take it down. I have covered it up and I will let it cook now. Friends, the marinated dahi chicken is ready. The gravy also is gone thick. You can see it's gone nice and thick. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.